Hello everyone. It appears that Microsoft will allow users to uninstall AI models from Windows 11. The company seems to be taking another step toward giving users more control over AI on Windows 11. In the latest experimental build 26300.8553, we quietly added a hit management page for AI models inside of the Settings app. The new experience provides detailed information about installed models and, at least in one case, allows users to uninstall the AI model directly from the operating system. These changes are not officially available yet, but they offer an early look at how the company may address one of the most common complaints about AI on Windows 11. The biggest change is the new dedicated page for the AI models within the AI components section of the Settings app. Instead of showing AI components as background system assets, the operating system now surfaces information about that particular model, including publisher, version, size, the data, and total usage. The page effectively treats AI models like manageable components with their own specifications. Perhaps more notably, the Silicon model now includes an uninstall button. And this is a Microsoft-owned on-device language model designed for Copilot+ PCs, and it powers several AI experiences that run locally rather than in the cloud. At the moment, it appears to be the only model that can be uninstalled from this new interface. And as you can see, there is no cancel button, so I actually don't want to uninstall it, so I'm going to close the Settings app. Early this year, Microsoft acknowledged concerns that AI was becoming too prominent throughout Windows 11 and said that it will scale back some Copilot entry points. That effort focused largely on reducing the frequency in which users encounter the assistant across the operating system, but the company didn't discuss the growing collection of AI models being installed behind the scenes to power those experiences. That's whether this change becomes important. For months, users have been questioning how much storage AI models consume, what purpose they serve, and the privacy concern that they raise, and whether they can be uninstalled. The new Settings experience doesn't answer every question, but it does provide visibility, which is something that was largely being missing. By exposing technical details and introducing an uninstall option, Microsoft appears to be moving towards a more transparent approach with AI on Windows 11. Whether the company eventually allows users to uninstall additional models remain unclear, but this hidden update suggests that greater control over AI components could be on the way. What are your thoughts about this? Let me know in the comments. Also, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.